Alright, good morning everybody. We have Beehive 2. And we are confused by the weather. You see the water plot here. It's more filled up and things are good. So, I don't think there's a way that these girls get up. The weather, as I just said, is a little confusing, but it's supposed to get 60 degrees today, and it's supposed to be sunny all day. So maybe these bees don't actually listen to the weather like I do. My local weather is 22 News over here. But I don't think they're listening to you guys. So maybe we can see if they know something that, the weather doesn't. Or maybe they're just going to wait and ride it out. Like smart little bees do. I don't know. But anyway, this is the first morning. Portion. 7 minutes in. Good morning, everybody. We got squirrels out. We got birds. Got all sorts of stuff this morning. Listen in. Enjoy.